fading into what we are done.
Good morning. Oh my God. Good morning from Canada. Welcome back to Just Trish. Can you believe? I just woke up. I must say, let me take up the camera. I'm in Canada. Just wake up. My mouth feel dry. Last night or yesterday, when I reach, like my skin start dry, I forget a good moisturizer. Hear my voice sound. My voice sound weird. This is my wake up voice. Anyways, so have to get a moisturizer, like a really good moisturizer, you know. I was going to carry something, but then I didn't want it to squeeze out in the suitcase, because the last time I carried a lotion, and it's like I put it in one bag because it squeezed out. I don't know what am I do with the suitcase, but because then people don't know angry suitcase with care, you know. So you have to just make sure you pack your stuff them properly when you put them in the suitcase. Anyway, so it was cold yesterday, and myself, from my excitement, I saw snow. Like snow was falling and I was walking in it. You can find that video on my other channel, yeah, when the snow, but probably y'all gonna see snow on this channel too. Like, it's my first time seeing snow, right? When I used to say to people that I like the cold better than the hot, people used to complain and say, oh much, because because I don't come in snow, I gotta talk all these things and all of them, so I don't know what I talk about. I'm here and it's snowing, so I do know what I'm talking about. I love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, I have the thing is, I have oily skin, right? So whenever I'm in a cooler temperature, my skin tends to thrive more, and I have eczema, and my skin itches me a lot, especially when we get hot. And then recently, when I went to check up and stuff, I realized that I am allergic to sweat. So you see, whenever I sweat, I break out in hives. You understand? So adding with the itchy skin with the eczema give me and all that, so when I'm in the cold, my skin thrive the best. You see, if me come back to Jamaica today and me start sweat like around my neck, it break out in the hives. Just like when I come from Canada the last time and step out, I tell her, say my neck hot, and then I start break out in hives as I reach Jamaica in no time. You understand? So the thing is, I shouldn't sweat. You see, if I sweat, I have to wipe off the sweat quick. I can't make it stay up. You know, like sometimes people sweat and it end up dry on them. I can't let my sweat dry on me, because so if I sweat, you can't stop yourself from sweat, right? So if I sweat, I always have a rag to wipe it off right away. Because even when I was going in the gym and all of that, I have a rag right away, so when I sweat, I can wipe it out. Because if I ever make the sweat stay, because these were the problem I had before I went to find out what was wrong. Every time I sweat, I break out in hives. When I don't wipe it off, I break out in hives, even my face, everywhere. So I said, no man, something must wrong. So I someone find out and realize is the sweat is the problem. So when it comes to the cold, my skin thrives in cool weather. So y'all should stop this narrative about people wanting to experience cold. You have to understand, say, everybody is built differently. While your body might not like the cold, somebody else's body like the cold. While your body thrive in hot temperatures, another person's body don't thrive in a hot temperature, right? So you have to just allow people for like what them like. Because when I kept on saying this, people like a lot of people coming to the comment section, not even on this channel only, but on my other channel, saying how much me only a talk so because me for coming a snow and me talk something different. Everybody have tolerance. Like you have pain tolerance. Another person's pain tolerance is high. That means they can tolerate a lot of pain, while your pain tolerance is low. So you have to understand that people are different from you. You understand? Not because you don't like something, it doesn't mean somebody else don't like it. So don't knock certain things if not because you don't like it. I feel like the best way to say things is that, for me, put your opinion. Whenever you're giving an opinion, give it on behalf of yourself. You don't give it a blanket opinion. I give it on behalf of yourself. Like if I'm giving an opinion, I say I would say like this, like, hey, while hot weather is good and all of that, my skin don't thrive as well in hot weather, so I prefer the cold. If you say something to somebody we like hot weather, simple as that. You don't need to try to put your belief on other people because you experience something, so you feel like a person now gonna experience something. That's just my take on it. Like, now I'm here in the snow and I'm loving it. Know what? Right? I'm loving it. I got a snowshoes yesterday, but I need another one. I need a heavy duty one that, if the snow get high and you have to walk. Yeah, but I only have the one where, you walk, where you keep your, what the one the name? Oh my God, why it come out of my head? I can't remember that one, the one that I bought. I don't remember what it named. Yeah. But I'm gonna buy another one because I'm going to do, because when I want to do the activities in the snow, I'm gonna need that one. But I don't remember the one I'm gonna buy. Wait, name. It's in my head, but I just can't remember. So anyways, I try to say I can get something to eat, and then I try order. I forgot Walmart, or I'm supposed to order some stuff, but I want to go for buy up some vegetables and all them something so I can have to eat. And I'm thinking this, basically that's what I want to do, but I'm gonna charge my battery because it's dead. So I ordered some pizza today, some vegan pizza. Yeah, there it is. But the thing is, my thing said never that coming in no long it out there and out the cold, so I wonder if the pizza get cold, because out there it's cold, because I never jump so I see when the man one car drive off. But then me I say, I forgot what me that do. I never come down. Then me get one email for say like the payment was successfully reversed. So me I say, what the hell is it? So me I try to figure out a walk one, and then then me end up did I edit something, so I never remember. And then me say, alright, me I come down and get something to eat. And then me say, let me look if them actually send it. When me look at something out there long time. So I tip them out. So I don't know how them not make me know. Ooh, this looks good. There it is. Looks really good. Oh my God, I love it. I don't know if theirs tastes good. They could just take one bite and see. Let me taste it sauce first. Sauce not nice. And I buy the sauce, because sauce not come with it. I'm buy. It's up in front of my teeth. First, I eat vegan pizza. First. So I don't know how I feel about it, because I don't know how it tastes. I feel like it would have slapped more if it did hot, but it cold. Right? I forgot what them call them, green. But I don't see no spinach. But I order spinach on it. Because I said, yes, spinach was one of the toppings where my son want on it. Spinach. Right? Oh, them have spinach on there. I remember the funny word something, but it's not cilantro. Because I ate cilantros. But I remember I don't remember the name or the something. So looks real good, real tasty. Nice, but it would taste better if it hot. No meat. No meat, nothing at all upon them. It tastes real good. I like them sauce though. Let's taste them. I think it cost me 76 cents. The sauce. So I don't know if I throw it out. It never cost me nothing. Just done bed, guys. Like them carry the grocery come at me showing. Yeah, and them leave it outside. So I probably feel go feed, see? So she go, but them left it way down there, so see? But the snow fall last night. So I probably go shovel down. I see if I can help her shovel down. But I have no gloves though. But I have one jacket in there, so I put it on and put on my shoes on off and go out there.
The same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Hoes gon' be hoes, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, niggas be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Dripping wetter from head to toe, la baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when you're not up. No way they could ever break us up. Oh God, they could only try. Keep up, let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you're grateful that I stayed down. We eat a passing
because it's snowing out here. You know? It's hard. So you're gonna see what I bought. I forgot my tripod, so I bought this chai pudding. I've never eaten it before, so I said, let me try it. And I bought a vegetable burrito. Let me tell you what I'm gonna put inside of it. I put avocado, pineapple, corn, teriyaki sauce, and the other stuff them when them put in there differently, right? And I add one something named falafel. What's that name? I think it's some plant-based something. Yeah, so these two. So we're gonna eat and we're gonna taste and see. You know, it's hard for me to find out. It's so hard for me. It's so hard for me to find out order because I'm not consuming meat. It's just so freaking hard. Alright, so Instagram. Shoot. Let's taste the pudding first. Because I'm putting on the pudding. I don't remember if we were supposed to add anything to it. But let me taste it because I tried making it one time for myself, but I did not like it. So I tried now. see. This is how it looks. Like, this is because I don't have the tripod with me. It's kind of difficult for me to show you all the things. So this is how it looks. It's big. I could bite it. I don't want a big wall or something. Oh, them put the thing when I tell them some more, the falala, whatever it want him, they stuff it inside. So what's inside is lettuce, tomato, pepper, quinoa in there, cucumber. I think I put pineapple in there. But I not like the wrap part of the front here, so like you bite off a lot. I like the edge. So we're going to taste it now. Now that's it up. Now I go. Hey guys! So today I'm at the mall. I'm just coming out of the Uber. Outside not all that cold still, I'm never put on my jacket, but we're going some tube snow tubing something. We're gonna go tomorrow, so I'm trying to get some stuff to go. I'm gonna need some gloves for outside because we can't even get for go outside. Go do some snow angel. Yeah, because too many really have the clothes that really they're out in the snow that much. Yeah, so I'm trying to get that. I'm trying to get something that I can go the snow or something. Snow tubing thing. No, another way I forgot. Watch me go and let me remember the place. But when I come at the Uber, I'm like, I know where I'm going. I know where I'm going, you know? But yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Which one would you say the urban something? Just you know, so because me I talk to no, it's like I miss the part of the urban there because I'm talking to y'all. The part of my turn was down there, so. But let me see, I probably can't turn down on the side there. So I'm just gonna turn down the side instead of turn back. Because I'm not going to go down Hudson Bay. In this so pricey, so I'm not going to this so. I should have go the other mall, you know, but it's kind of too far. So that's the reason why I never go. But
Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top, it's out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told.
when I get for video no more when I was on the road. Let me close that window here. I don't get to I forgot to look for my tripod when I carry because no when I have nowhere for put on to go and talk. I don't have anywhere to put. You see? I'm gonna look for my tripod. I'm gonna look for my tripod. And if I find one, alright. Yeah, I'm find it. Let me put y'all here. Yeah. Oh, you guys not seeing my face properly. But hey, I took out my pants. I didn't even get to show you guys what I wore today. It was such an hectic day. This is the pants that I wore. It's a wide, it's a wide leg pants. Yeah. I want to sit down and talk to y'all. Like, I'm gonna show you all the things that I got. The reason why I never come back on is because it was so hectic to find something. Like, one thing, I don't know if I would decide that I'm hot. Um, myself, my fingernail broke off. I don't know, I want cut me get right here, so I don't even know how I get the cut right here, so. I try on in the changing room and my fingernail broke. Like, I feel so sad. It's like I feel like I take off every one of them and go find a nail tech and just do my nails. How much money I spend today? I spend maybe one something cost me $200 or something dollars. And then I go to one store cost me 100 and must say 60 something. I don't remember. And I went to another one that cost me 100 and maybe $8, I think. Yeah, and then I go buy. Then I did buy one mango smoothie. I forgot to even show you that, guys. One next time, I say I love it. You see, Apple tell me about it. I mean, I say, oh, I never tried the last time I was here. Like, I'm hooked. I am hooked on it. So because I was up and down, I never know what to buy. I was frustrated and I was thinking to go to another mall. But when I checked the price, it was like, sorry. When I checked the price, it was like $21. No, $24. I'm gonna say because I wasn't sure because I can't check my account when over data. I don't know, anytime I travel, I cannot check my data, my account over data. I have to depend on Wi-Fi, right? So I couldn't check my account to see how much money they put on my credit card because since from I come up here, I've been like, even though I never go up on the road, I've been like spending a lot off of my credit card, like because my credit card hook up to my PayPal account, so I just pay feed through PayPal with my credit card, right? So in order for me to pay for the stuff them again, I forgot. You see, if you use your card, you're going to pay tax for it if you use your debit card. So I don't want to use my debit card to pay tax on it. So what I do is whenever like me reach my credit limit or whatever, I always send money to it so I can use so I don't have to use my Visa debit. So I just so I not get to pay no tax or whatever. Because if I ever use my Visa debit, the amount of tax I have to pay and stuff. So that's what I did. So I sent over I think I sent over $5,000 this morning. No, before I leave, right? The first drive was for $14. That's 1,000 something dollars. And I think the next one for comeback was for $21. So because me can't check, me never want leave the mall there and go to the other mall. Because I never sure how much money leave on the credit card. So I don't want to use my debit card. Because I have to go sit down and set it up again and do another payment plan and all them stuff. Then I don't have no time to sit down and do that. Me already set my payment to PayPal already. Me can't bother for going there for take it change it and too much work that. So I just say, you know what? But I'm just stay right at the mall and done. So I never really have no other option. I buy one snow pants. I bought one snowshoes. That are the one where you can go snowboarding, you know. Like when when really like snowstorm and you're really outside. Yeah, one of them I buy. Alright. I'm eating clementines. Yeah. I forgot for sure who don't know, because some people watch me and they don't know, right? It's like this, like orange. So I just peel it with my hand. I forgot. Sweet, you see? I love it. Not sure if these things were here when we did the last time, but I started to discover other things. You know the reason I discover other things? The only reason I discover other things is because the snowstorm and I had to stay inside and order. So when I go up on the site, me I see the things them. So I say, all right, why not try this? Why not try that? Why not? They get my sister something me end up know different things now. Because now my mother go into the store, I wouldn't even look at this if I did in the store, none at all. And then again, through my appetite, not my appetite, but my whole thing when I eat now change. So I didn't even eat anything at the mall because I can't find no vegan or vegetarian, whatever, meal, pescatarian, none of them type of something. Like, everything I have to deal with chicken, so couldn't eat nothing there. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys everything that I bought. Right. We're back. Alright, let me seem like we're not lean. We're back. Alright. So we're unboxing this. Let's see. We're going snow tubing. So that's the reason why I was out today trying to get something. And you know, search. I was up and down. Like, I soon telling you something what happened to me. Shh. We're not going to talk about it now. So we're going to talk about this. Bam. 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 Yeah. Remember, a sorrel, you pronounce that brand area. It always have the way of snow shoes them and them stuff there. Yeah. It is waterproof. I try to get a waterproof one. It's a insulated / waterproof. I like it. It can fit me. I'm gonna try it on. So now we'll wear tomorrow. I'm gonna put this right on. I'm gonna show you the other bag. I got a scarf. I think I got it in Dollarama. I'm not even to say the price upon it. You know me, I look for the price, I never see it. $5 for. I'm gonna buy some gloves. I think about two pair come on this. Cause me know me I gonna need them when I come out of the store for going to the Uber and stuff. Cause me I forgot there because I don't know, it never the pick up in the mall, so I forgot there. And I bought this. You know, so I have my hat already. I'm showing you the hat from Jamaica, right? So this, how this put on now? Oh yeah, this. Oh, so I buy this for put on with it when I snowboard. What the hell is this? Alright, I soon sort it out. So Yeah. So I'll buy another hat. Right. I buy them bag here because I wasn't sure which color I want, so I just buy two. A color here and a color here. Because I'm not sure if I'm going to go with it. I never want to buy the color here. When I put on the old outfit, I say, no, man, I don't like the color here. I should have buy the color here. So I just buy two and done. Because I never can hold a bag with me. One bag I carry with me. Just the black bag alone. I just never can no other bag. Oh. See next year here. I'll buy this in another round or two. Sometimes more something for snack on. I like that mess of the shorts here. And I'm saying it was cute. Let us see how it look. But I say it look cute, man. I say I have a story for telling about the outfit here. This is our outfit where me buy it to go with. I take one picture. I have one puff jacket where I say I go wear as well with it. And the hat I'm showing from Jamaica. Yes, that hat is an outfit I want that for. And this is what I go wear under my jacket. For go the snow tubing. This. And so I buy this. So the thing about it, I never know if I want this for go with it or the black. That is the reason I buy it. Because I go wear the jacket here with it. And because the jacket here have pink, that's why I say, I don't know, they're two different color pink still, but trust me, can't have much for me. You say probably if you go up a Brampton side, you will find enough things up there. So because last time I go up a Brampton, enough things up there for pick from. But me never buy when I came here the last time, I didn't buy anything much here. Really was the only one who buy clothes here. Me never buy no clothes here because I just never like the style. You see, because I order my clothes them online and things. So you know, I buy this I think I buy this in a H&M. Yeah. So this is really good. So if I now buy something in a H&M and them stuff that me not feel like more I'm buying nothing. Yeah. I'm gonna buy this also. Yeah. I don't buy small foot things anymore. Pants them on me, I buy them. I buy the big foot pants them. The wide leg pants. Yeah. This is cute. That is the reason why. I don't really like that brand here still no name Refuge. I don't really like it because them clothes not durable. But I like it, so I buy it. And then I bought these gloves. Forgot on the snow tube because you go in the snow and them something that you go really want. Them soft gloves you can't use because you go dodge about the snow and stuff, so you need a more durable glove. This I paid $74.99 for this. Yeah. And it's a Columbia brand. Yeah. And I bought a snow pants. I'm not even try it on for know if it can fit me. I just say small. I'm gonna just take it upon back. I couldn't bother the amount of things I have. I couldn't bother me take off my clothes already for try on some stuff. So I never want to take off my clothes again for try on some them stuff. So but just this is the color of this now pants. I like it. Them not show me some other ones, but I never like the other one. I like this. So as I tell you now, I'm gonna try catch back one color with this, but it look like it off for me. And then it, so you know, it have a little bit of pink or whatever. My gloves, and I might put on a scarf with it as well.
Just letting you all know that that black thing that you're seeing, it's not my panties. It's like a waist trainer shorts thing. So yeah, that's for those who are thinking that is my panty, you know, see?
Alright.
It's not my
Hopefully you
panty.
can see.
Okay.
Wanna say it look, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make sure try on the outfit. To make sure say it look good. Cause I'm going to the mall, but one different mall. Me and Apple no. So what may I do? I make sure try on the outfit. So if anything, I can have time to change it because tomorrow we'll go. So anything I can change it. So better me know from now, right? It look like I soon have to stop wearing small because I really have to stop wearing small. I'm gonna go for the jacket, let's see. This is the jacket. Right. So, guys, we have to try on the whole outfit. Me looking at the mirror to see how it looks. So the whole outfit here. So the thing is, no snow can go penetrate my clothes. So I'm gonna have my gloves on as well. So it look good. It look good to me. So it looks good to me, guys. So I'ma just wear it. And you know, said this feel good. That top here, it feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I bought an what do you call it now? One eye drop to come eye hurt me. So me just need for me don't know if I dry my eye get dry or whatever, but I need to lubricate. I need to lubricate my eyes. So I got an eye drop for my eyes. Oh, we'll try get one snow pants for Apple. Yeah. But they like them not have no snow pants in here. Thank God I never did come over here, so and go back my go. But my outfit looking good.
Let's take this show on the road. Shit, different day. I'll be bored out my mind.